Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I got a new die in the mail and I thought I would put it together with you. So usually when I get a die, I'll put it away and then not dig it out until, I find a project to do with it. But I had ordered this because I thought it was so pretty when I saw it. This was designed by Nicole Silhouette, and it is sold by the RLJLIVES store on AliExpress. And like I said, I normally put them away, but I thought, well, let me go ahead and play with this one, and I just thought I'd bring you along. So I did not cut out these two panels. This is a file folder storage box. And I had made one a few videos ago without a die, but when I saw this one, I thought it was really pretty, so I went ahead and ordered it. And so like I said, I did not use this die, but I went ahead and cut all the other ones out. And I thought I would make one to match the matchbox that I made last, just because I really like this paper. So I went ahead and made one to match this box. So I cut out the base pieces in blue. Now I've never made it, but I'm hoping that it's not going to be too difficult. So I'm going to put it together with you guys. And I've already, of course, like I said, I cut them out and I've already inked all the edges, and I used the faded jeans for the edges. So I am just going to figure this out with you guys, and I'm assuming, that this is the outside is what I'm assuming, and this side is the inside. So I'm sure they have score lines on here, but they are very faint. And it kind of wants to bend right here on this stitch line. So what if I use a ruler? I don't want to mess these up, guys, because I don't have any more of this blue paper. This was the last sheet I had. Okay, there's that one. So it's easier if you grab your ruler and use your ruler. It still wants to bend right on that stitch line. It wants to bend. It needs to bend back. So I'm going to work on this, guys. Hey guys, these were really difficult to fold. Yeah, they were really hard to fold, and I couldn't fold them straight. But let me go ahead and put them together. I'm assuming that this goes on the inside, so that's the way I'm going to glue it down. The stitch line is on the inside, or I don't know if it goes on the inside, but that's where I put it. Maybe these should have gone on the inside. I don't know. This one I am going to put on the inside just because this one's on the front and I don't want those tabs to show. Well, that's cute. I'll tell you that. It is cute. Isn't that adorable? It is adorable. I love the little box. I don't know how much I love the putting, you know, the folding part, the scoring part. I mean, I'm sorry, the burnishing of the fold lines, which are difficult to see. Anyway, let's go ahead and put all these on here. And I didn't cut any for the inside, and I guess I really should have. I went ahead and inked the edges on these, and these go inside that stitch line. And I didn't put them on there beforehand because I didn't know how difficult it was going to be. And that is your little plate there. Let me cut some matting layers for the inside. All right, guys, I finished this little box. You know, will I make another one? Absolutely. I will probably make another one and make a unit with it like I did my other one, except I thought, you know, what if I can make a little folio to go inside of this? So in my next video, I'm going to show you, give you, you know, dimensions on a folio to fit in here. But overall, it's a nice little box. You know, this is, I always practice my, you know, when I have to put something together, I always practice first. I'm going to call this my practice box, which is not bad at all. And yeah, if you need me to tell you what each piece is, each die is for, I'll go over it with you in the next video. If you tell me that you ordered it and you're not sure what is what, I'll let you know what I found out. But it turns out to be pretty sturdy after all the layering. And you know, yes, I do like it. I think it's a cute little box. So yes, I will definitely make another one. And in the next video, guys, I am going to make a mini folio to go inside of this. Just, it's so cute. I really do like it. All right, guys, thank you for sitting here with me and trying to figure this out. And I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot, guys.